Hi guys, I'm Sheni. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Gomane. So today we are going to talk about how you can make money in South Africa through mobile car wash services. So guys, if you are new, please consider to subscribe, to hit that notification button so you'll be notified each and every time whenever I post a video, because I share business ideas that we can all relate to as South Africans and ways on how you can make money in South Africa. So guys, let's talk about the mobile business that you can start in South Africa. And if you are not new, please do consider to do this, to share and to comment as well. So I used to run a car wash business with my brother. So okay, my dad had bought us some car wash cleaning equipment for us to start the business, and we used to operate it on weekends because we were still in high school. So what happened is that we would make more money mostly on Sundays, and we would work from 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. somewhere there, because we would go to church first and come back and start operating the car wash. If I can tell you that we would make around we used to make around 400 to 600 during that period of time, you see. So if you start this particular business, you can make money. But with mobile car wash services, you make more money because you are actually going to charge for transport fees as well, because you are going to provide these particular services to your clients' premises. So I'm sure a lot of people prefer that particular services, because right now it is boring for you to go to the car wash only to find out that there's a long queue there. So time is money. People are busy these days, so it is better for you to be on the winning side by providing these particular services to your client. So guys, let's talk about what you're going to need when you need to start this particular business. Okay, first thing first, you need to plan, because each and every business requires planning. You need to plan on how much you are going to need to start this business. You need to plan on how much you are going to charge your clients, how much you're going to charge for your for your transport fees, how much you are going to pay yourself, because this is a business. You need to pay yourself a certain amount and you need to stick to that. You shouldn't consume or use all the money that you get, but you need to pay yourself and save the rest. So that is the planning around this business. If you do have a car, you are good to go because it's a mobile car wash. But if you don't have a car, it is fine as well. You can still do this particular business. I own a cleaning services myself and I don't have a car, so I use public transport to move around to provide my services to my clients. I use Uber. It is cheap to use a public transport than to use your own transport. So you don't let that to stop you if you don't have a car. So guys, you will need your pressure washer, which goes for around 1.3 or 1,000 if you can check that at game stores. You will need your sponge, your car shampoo, your microfiber, your bucket, your polish. You will need your hoover, your extension cords, all those material, that like those general materials for you to start your car wash business. But then I've done some research, so if you can go to Take a Load and type in TRAMONTINA, that is Tramontina Vehicle Cleaning Kit, you will find one of the best cleaning kits, which I feel that it is useful, and it goes for 1,000 rands. What you get is a cleaning sponge, a double-sided cleaning sponge, and then you get your wheel cleaning brush. You will get your multi-purpose cloth. You will get 2 pieces of microfiber. You will get your car vacuum cleaner. So it is much better to get a car vacuum cleaner because you won't need to have an extension cord. You will just ask your client to to switch on the ignition or to start the ignition, so that you can be able to operate your car vacuum. And then you will also get a plastic box where you are going to put all your materials inside there. So I think it is much better to buy this material. What is left here, it is for you to buy the car shampoo and other few things. So you can actually start a mobile car wash. Like if you have 3,000, you can start this particular business. But even if you don't have 3,000, you can still start this particular business. I live in the CBDs, so I see street kids each and every day washing cars. What they normally have, it is a bucket, a cloth, a polish, and a soap, and they normally use they normally use Sunlight liquid. And if you can check all that, it doesn't even cost more than 500 rands. So and they're making money. They get paid around 40 rands or 20 rands because they're street kids, people sometimes take them for granted. So but they make money. So guys, you don't have to buy all these things that I have mentioned here. But okay, if you want to be more professional, you can buy this and start to provide more professional mobile car wash services to your clients, because the more professional you are, the more money your clients will be willing to pay you. So you need to try by all means to be professional, and you need to try to at least to get a uniform whereby you will use whenever you are cleaning your I mean whenever you are working, to get your client to see that, okay, you know what, this person means business. He or she is not doing this particular business because they just want to get by, but they've got dreams for this particular business. They want to see it somewhere. They want to see the business progressing in the later stage. So you need to consider those kind of things as well. So guys, I think this is what you will need for you to start a mobile car wash business. So please stay tuned. I will bring another business idea or ways on how you can make money in South Africa. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.